What's up, guys? You just saw that insane Sasuke Bas edit, and yes, it's taking over the FYP. Now I'm showing you exactly how to recreate this viral pro-level style using only CapCut on your phone. No PC, no gatekeeping, just a straight up step-by-step breakdown. Let's get into it.
Add your clips and then add your audio. Scroll through the options and click on the beat button. Auto-generate your beats and arrange your clips according to those beats. After arranging the clips, return to the beginning of the timeline. Click on the transition icon between two clips. Scroll through the transitions and select the one named Flashback, or you can search for it at the top. Click on the Apply to All option so the transition is added between every clip. Go into the adjustment settings and match the parameters exactly as I am adjusting them. Extend that adjustment effect to cover the entire duration of the video. Go to the filter section and add the 4K filter. Stretch the 4K filter across the whole video. Scroll further in the filters and add the humble filter as well. Go to the effects menu, select Add Effects, and type Color Glitch into the search box. Select the color glitch effect, click Done, and set the speed according to your preference. Export your finished edit in 4K resolution. Thanks for watching.